Hey everyone, this video is to give you a quick tour of my greenhouse. That is the Eagle Peak foldable greenhouse. A lot of you have expressed interest in that greenhouse, so I thought I should give you a close-up view of how that greenhouse looks like in case you're thinking of investing in one. So guys, I set up the greenhouse over one of my beds, my raised beds over there, which fit perfectly. This greenhouse is the Eagle Peak greenhouse. It's foldable and the install was quite simple, easy, something that I did in under 10 minutes, and I'm going to highly recommend a greenhouse like this if you want to start your own seeds and also preserve some things over the winter. So let's take a look. All right, so we have this zipper here, two zippers. As you can see, you can zip it down this way and then over this way as well, and then you would close the greenhouse. We have the same pair of zippers on the other side of the greenhouse over here. Let me go show you. So over here we have the zippers so you can walk through when it's open. And then on the side of the greenhouse we have windows. So there's this is mesh. You can open it up like so, like so, like so, and then you can open it up like this to ventilate the greenhouse. I'll roll it up and show you. Okay guys, so I just rolled up the window, if you will, so you can roll it up and secure it like so, and now you have mesh over here to ventilate your greenhouse. We have this same window on the other side of the greenhouse. Let's go take a look. So on this side we have that same setup, so you can just pull up the zipper like so and then roll it up and secure it with this. And this right here, you know, the covering, which if you want you can secure it with something heavy, with like a bag of soil or even one of these cinder blocks. I can put it here just in the event that it gets really windy so it doesn't knock off my greenhouse. But for now I haven't secured it with anything yet, and I think it is still stable. I have secured the posts with this. See this? The stakes, it came with the greenhouse. So this is pretty secure. As you can see, it is secure. Now let's go inside and take a look. Let's take a look at the inside of the greenhouse. So all the way to the ceiling, around. Okay, so inside the greenhouse, what do I have? This is where I am overwintering my peppers. As you can see, I have trimmed the peppers and they're sitting right here on the garden bed. And let's see what else I have. I still have my fluted pumpkin, as you can see, so this should keep my fluted pumpkin alive on this bed over the winter as well. That's one over there, and then this is another one right here. So I'm excited to be able to keep these vines alive in the greenhouse. And guys, guess what this is? This is what is known as azolla. I am growing azollas here. It is doing very well. This is just about 1 week worth of growth. This is how much I have, so I'm excited for that. And in here I also have my bitter leaf stems that I am trying to root. Yeah, I'm so excited. So guys, that was my greenhouse. I hope this helps. I plan to use this greenhouse for seed starting, so I'm gonna start my seeds in here for my nursery. And it is also perfect for providing light, you know, the sunlight that your young starts need without having to do all of that indoors. That is the primary reason why I invested in this greenhouse. It cost me, I don't know exactly how much, but I'm going to put a link in the description box, the Amazon link in the description box, if you are interested in purchasing a greenhouse. It's something I'm going to highly recommend, because at the end of the winter season, I'm going to take this thing, I'm going to remove this entire thing and then just fold it and save it for use next season. Thank you so much for watching. Remember that when you grow a garden, you grow health. Until next time, bye everyone.